Let's see how to fix the issue if the changed picture option is not showing up in your Microsoft Word. So first we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now, for example, you want to change this picture right here. Now, whenever you try to right click it, you will see that the change picture option is not showing up. So what you can do is go over to the File tab and click on New and open up a new blank document. Now go ahead and insert the same picture or whatever picture that you want, for example. Now, as you can see, when I right click it, I already have the option to change picture. Now, another way that you can fix this issue is simply by clicking on the File tab and clicking on this Info tab right here and converting it into a newer version of the document. Now, as you can see, you can now change the picture by right clicking it. Now, the reason that it doesn't show up in the first place is that it was probably an older version of a document or in doc form. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.